AMGN stock analysis and AMGN stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade with Amgen Incorporated. This is nice, man. Like, quite like it. You know, 1% now Friday. Well, it's about the days prior, right? Like, even if I zoom out, you know, I do see. I mean, hopefully we do see it like coming into this next new week, but seems like there's some power behind it, right? So I'm gonna mark up the top, of course, and unless I see the price actually giving me some sort of like a shift here or something, I'm not gonna look to buy. I mean, honestly, this is the range that I'm already kind of picking. So in this instance, if I do see it pulling down a bit, because like I'm not gonna buy the top, I hopefully just wait for the double break to be met, so then I can take it up. But other than that, like randomly buying, it's not gonna be happening. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.